So in the last video, I was chatting about our prep for the big lap, mainly going into stuff about the camper, and this is just a little update on the camper. Okay, so here's the test. I've got the overcap glued in, just glue at the moment, there's nothing else. There's no angle on the outside, and I'm about to test to see if it'll hold my weight. I'm a bit nervous, but we'll see. Yep, well it does. I'm roughly 95 kilos, so yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. That's just glue, literally just glue. The other cool thing about this at the moment is just, I mean, it's not fitted out, granted, but it's super light. Like, I can lift that basically one-handed